I request everybody to please take their seats. One more important announcement. Kindly switch off your cell phones and keep the cell phones on the vibration mode or switched off throughout the ceremony. The convocation procession is on its way. All those standing at the gate are requested to take their seats. All those at the gate, kindly come inside and take your seats. Very soon we shall be witnessing the convocation of academic luminaries entering inside this venue. Kindly settle down. I see several candidates standing. Please sit on your seat. Everybody in the august audience is requested to maintain dignity and decorum throughout this sacred function. Every achievement needs a formal recognition as a gesture of accomplishment and motivation. The journey of a soul from birth to the last breath is marked by several ceremonies. It is consecrated at every step. At the time when it wears the human robe, is initiated, honored, wedlocked, on, and so forth. Today we witness one such sacred ceremony, the 11th convocation ceremony of Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. On behalf of the fraternity of Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, I, Anjali Jain, deem it a great privilege to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Padma Bhushan, Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, the guest of honor, Padma Shri, Dr. Sanjay Govind Dhande, Chairman Board of Governors, Professor G.K. Mehta, Director Manit, Professor Appu Kuttan KK, Dean Academics, Professor Geeta Agnihotri, Controller of Exams, Professor K.K. Dhote, Honorable Members of the Board of Governors, distinguished guests, Registrar, Heads of the various departments, members of the faculty, members of the staff, brilliant students, their proud parents, and media persons witnessing the 11th convocation ceremony of Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. A very good morning to this august house. Living up to the traditions, let us first invoke the blessings of Goddess of Saraswati. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, Doctor of Science and Chief Controller R&D, CEO BrahMos, to please light the lamp. I also request our guest of honor, Padma Shri Dr. Sanjay Govind Dhande, our Chairman, Professor G.K. Mehta, and Director, Professor Appu Kuttan K.K., Dean Academics, Professor Geeta Agnihotri, Controller of Exams, Professor K.K. Dhote, to join the Chief Guest. I request the dignitaries to please take their seats. We are honored to have Padma Bhushan Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, Doctor of Science and Chief Controller, Research and Development, CEO, BrahMos, a distinguished missile scientist amongst us today. He is a devout devotee of science and humanity, very proud to be an Indian, very proud of its spiritual wisdom, because of its rich scientific and technological heritage right from the Vedic age. He motivates Indians to tap the valuable resource of creativity and innovation. He strives hard to strengthen India's armed forces and economic prosperity, and envisions to empower India and revive its glorious glory. He is a modest human being, calm and composed, and regarded as the father of BrahMos. May I request our Honorable Director, Professor Appu Kuttan KK Sir, to please welcome our esteemed Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, with a bouquet of flowers that bear the fragrance of our reverence. I request our Honorable Director to please welcome our guest of honor, Padma Shri Sanjay Govind Dhande Sir. I request Dean Academics, Professor Geeta Agnihotri, to present a bouquet to the Chairman Board of Governors, Manit, Bhopal. I request Controller of Exams to present a bouquet to Honorable Director Professor Appu Kuttan KK Sir. Flowers speak no language, sing no odes, but their silent expressions cross through all boundaries and echo across the globe. I now invite Dean Academics Professor Geeta Agnihotri to give the welcome address.
Namaskar. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, eminent scientist, DRDO, Government of India, Professor G.K. Mehta, Honorable Chairman, Board of Governors of the Institute, Dr. Sanjay Ji Dhande, former Director, IIT Kanpur, Dr. Appu Kuttan KK, Director of the Institute, members, Board of Governors, Senate members, faculty and staff members of the Institute, graduating students and their parents, representatives of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I take this opportunity to welcome you all at the 11th convocation ceremony of the Institute. I welcome Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, eminent scientist, DRDO, Government of India, and express my sincere gratitude. He readily accepted our invitation and has agreed to bless the graduating students by his presence at the most auspicious and highest ceremony of the Institute. Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai has served DRDO as distinguished guest scientist and was founder, CEO and Managing Director of BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. He has published several books and research papers in journals. He joined DRDO as scientist in the year 1988 and in 2002-2013 he was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan respectively. He has 4 decades of experience in ISRO and DRDO under the great visionaries like Vikram Sarabhai, Professor Satish Dhawan, and our former President, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is authority in the field of space technology, especially launched vehicles and guided missiles. He has contributed in successful development of SLV-3 and in the evolution of PSLV configuration. Looking at his experience and authority over his domain, he was given 3rd post-retirement extension. He is also known as the father of BrahMos, a joint venture between India and Russia to design and develop supersonic cruise missile BrahMos. The graduating student should learn from this that excellence in your field of interest and specialization opens all doors of success and one can reach to any heights in life. I hope that the spark of brilliance of our chief guest shall infuse the desire among the graduating students to do something great in the domain of their specialization and contribute in fulfilling the desires of our great visionaries. The day of 11th convocation shall be remembered in the history of the institute, as we are proud to have another great and learned academician amongst us, Dr. S.G. Dhande, former director IIT Kanpur. His area of interest is computer-aided design. He has developed Autopilot, an innovative CAD technology that has been used for construction of light combat aircraft in India. He is also assisting Government of India in preparation of vision documents. He has also been awarded with Padma Shri for his services in the field of engineering and technology. Today, Institute feels proud to confer honoris causa DSc upon him for his services to the academia and nation. I welcome Professor G.K. Mehta, Chairman Board of Governors of the Institute, an eminent scientist and well-known academician in the field of science and engineering. He is always a source of inspiration for us and has always taken keen interest in carrying out reforms that are essential for the upliftment of the Institute. I also welcome Dr. Appukuttan KK, Director of the Institute. He is a kind-hearted person and a great academician. He is always encouraging faculty, staff and the students of the Institute to deliver their best so that the Institute excels further and contributes towards the development of the nation. I welcome honorable members of Board of Governors, Senate members, faculty and the staff members of the Institute, graduating students and their parents, representatives of the media and distinguished guests at the 11th convocation ceremony of the Institute. Graduating day is a very big moment in the life of a person, as one has learned and harnessed the required skill in the field of one's interest, and now one is waiting to venture to face the real world challenges. It is time to celebrate the accomplishments and also to plan one's future before entering into new life. Steve Jobs has rightly said that if you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. So take a pause in life and ponder over your accomplishment and plan the future in the way in which you would have aspired for. I wish all the graduating students and medal recipients a successful career and hope that their endeavors bring laurels and fulfill the dreams of their parents. I shall end my welcome speech with saying of Albert Einstein, try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The reference of the first convocation ceremony occurs in Shikshavali of Taittiriya Upanishad. Before passing out, the Guru addresses the disciple and says, Satyam vad, speak the truth. Dharmam char, practice virtue. Swadhyayam pramad, do not neglect your duty and self-study. Dharmat na pramaditavyam, do not neglect virtue. Dev Pitra Karmabhyam na pramaditavyam, do not neglect your duty to the gods and ancestors. Matra Devo Bhava, Pitra Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. Only appropriate deeds are to be practiced, none others. May I request the Chairman Board of Governors, Manat, Professor G.K. Mehta, to announce the opening of the convocation ceremony.
I declare the 11th convocation of Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, open.
Thank you, sir.